Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 2710A and this one is HP Deskjet 2721A. These two printers are pretty much the same thing. Both are wireless printer, they are multifunctional printer, multitask, 3-in-1. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. These printers are using ink cartridges 305 or 305 extra large. This printer, you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi network using HP Smart App. This printer you can connect, you can load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, 4x6, various sizes of paper. Okay, but what I want to show you is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. This printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network, but I'm going to disconnect it, show you how to put this printer in the wireless mode. You can see the Wi-Fi button is a steady blue light. If it's not connected, it will be, the light will be flashing. Okay, this printer now is pretty much what we need to do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. I want us to show you first of all. Okay, you need to put this printer in a wireless mode by pressing the Wi-Fi button and cancel button. Okay, so press the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together and the printer will start to flash. Okay, so now this printer is in a wireless mode. So then you release. Okay, so you wait for the printer to be ready. Okay, you can see now what we need to do is we need to look for this printer. You can see the Wi-Fi is flashing. This is to show you the Wi-Fi now is flashing. Okay, this is to show you that this printer now is looking for Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light. So now this printer is in wireless mode. What I did was I pressed the Wi-Fi button and the cancel button together for 3 seconds. Okay, now the next thing to do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. We need to go to our mobile device. Okay, go to the mobile device, and if you are using a tablet or laptop, the same thing. So we're going to go to mobile device. Okay, type HP Smart App. Okay, open it up. This is HP Smart App. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to click add. When you click add, then it start to add a printer. So set up a new printer. Okay, it will ask you how do you want to set up your printer. So you need to select the first one via Wi-Fi network and select continue. Now it will ask you get the printer ready over Wi-Fi network. Okay, so you place the printer on a flat surface, then plug it on in the power and connect the mobile device to network, turn on nearby. So select continue and it will ask you to turn Bluetooth. Select OK to Bluetooth. Now it's asking us you need to allow HP Smart App to access device location. Click only this time, and you can see once you allow it, it will pick up the printer. So you pick up the printer here. This is the printer HP Deskjet. So now the next thing to do is we need to put the Wi-Fi password for this printer. Okay, so remember the light is still flashing here to show you that this printer is not connected to Wi-Fi network. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the password. The password, right, for the Wi-Fi network is the same password you use for your mobile device. It is the same password you use for your office or home network. So I'm going to put the password. Another thing I want to mention is you need to be mindful. If it asks you to put capital letter, you need to do the same thing. If it asks you to put small letter, you need to do the same. You can also, while you are putting the password, you need to press the I sign for you to see the information you are putting, to make sure you put the correct information because it is case sensitive. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the password, then show you the next step. I just want to mention, please, if you like this tutorial, if it resonates with you, if you find it valuable, please help to subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel. Okay, so now I'm happy. So the next thing to do is we need to select, once you put the password, right, you need to select continue, and they will start to look for the printer. You can see the printer is found. The next step is preparing the printer. Preparing the printer. Now press and release the flashing information button. So the flashing information button here on the printer. Okay, so you need to press and release it. So this information button, you can see the light is flashing. Just press it once and release. the next step is preparing the printer. Printer is prepared. Okay, the next thing now is obtaining IP address. So you can see also you need to stay on the screen and wait for each step to complete. This might take a few minutes. Here we go. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. So this printer now is connected to my office Wi-Fi network. Okay, so select continue. It's going to connect to HP service, and when you look on the printer, okay, the blue light is no longer flashing. Okay, so now it's getting the information. It's checking the printer status. So the blue light is no longer flashing. You just need to follow the process. Okay, now checking the printer status, then you add this to the HP Smart Apps for you to be able to scan and do so many things. But this printer now is connected. You can see connected printing service. Click accept all. Now it's telling you things you need to know, like how to load the paper. Okay, just how to load a paper. Click continue. Click continue. Please wait. Now I ask you to enroll in Instant Ink. Okay, it's not compulsory. Never run out of ink and save up to 70% on ink with HP Instant Ink. Okay, receive original ink in a few days. Get hassle-free delivery and recycle. You can cancel and return to buying original ink. It's not compulsory, so I like to actually buy this when I need it from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to skip the ink savings. Okay, are you sure you want to skip? Yes, or you can select remind me of a skip the offer. Auto update and select apply. Here we go. Setup complete. Let's print. So if you want to print document now, what you need to do, you need to just stick paper the printer. Now the next thing to do is select print a document. So it's processing. So you select print. So what it's doing now, what is printing is alignment. Initially, this printer always do this. Sometimes the first time doing this, they will print out alignment before, so that I complete the alignment, so that the printer will function properly. But this is exactly how to connect this printer. So another thing is also, if you're asking you print from other device, not right now. Okay, I can see the printer. The printer is here. Okay. Here we go. This is the printer. Alignment is not finished. So what it's doing now is printing the alignment. So you can see, showing us what is happening. Alignment is not finished. Okay, when you print this alignment, what you need to do, you need to, once you finish it up, then you need to put it on top and select copy black or color button to complete the alignment head. Here we go. Now the next thing to do is open the printer, stick it on top and select copy. So once you stick it on top, select copy black. Here we go. You can select black or color copy. Okay. Okay, so the alignment now is completed, Now what it's doing now is printing the welcome information that I sent to this printer. Here we go. This is welcome information that we printed out. This is to show you now this printer is ready and is connected to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.